welcome back to Cruising as Crew. I am Lucy and today we're going to talk about why cruising is the ultimate adventurous, lazy person's vacation. So I have just come off Cunard Quay Victoria with my friend Billy, and while I was on board it just got me thinking about this subject, and I was like, wow, cruising really is perfect for adventurous, lazy people, which I am one of. I am lazy. I love being lazy. It is my dream to just not have to do anything. But I also am adventurous. I love exploring, seeing new places, meeting new people. And it's a really hard balance to strike when you're both lazy and adventurous. But I think cruising has cracked it. And in this video, we're going to discuss why cruising is the perfect vacation for someone who is both lazy but adventurous. So the first thing, I don't want to research a load of different things. I don't want to have to book loads of different excursions through loads of different companies. I don't want to have to pay and connect my bank account to multiple different companies. I just want it to be simple. I want to do everything through one company and I don't want to have to lift a finger. But I also don't want to just lie on a sunbed for 2 weeks because I would get bored. I need to be kept stimulated. I want things to do, but I just don't want to have to research it and do all of the legwork to be adventurous, if that makes sense. And this is why cruising is the perfect holiday for people like myself, because I only have to do one thing: choose a cruise line to go with. And if I book through a travel agent, I don't even have to do that. I can just call up a travel agent and say, I want to go on a cruise. This is what I want, and they will even choose the cruise line for you and recommend what type of cruise you go on, what destinations you go to, whether you're looking for sun or a bit of cold. So actually, I don't even have to choose a cruise line. I just have to choose a travel agent and they will tell me everything I need to know. I will hand over my credit card and voila, I'm going on holiday. So that's the first tick for me being able to be lazy. But the beautiful thing about going on a cruise is you are going to be in a different destination every single day, which means you get to be adventurous because every day you get to go outside, explore a new place, try some local cuisine and spend a day in a brand new destination. So you get to scratch that adventurous, curious itch that you have. So that is a tick for why it's perfect for the adventurous. But again, if you want to combine laziness with adventure, you can book an excursion right there with the cruise line. You don't even have to look for an excursions company. You can literally just waddle down to the excursions desk or even take the elevator and book an excursion. And they will take care of everything. And all you have to do is turn up on time. And you can be lazy and yet adventurous. However, if you want to really dig into that lazy feeling, you can stay on board. You don't even have to get off, but you can still be adventurous. For example, these cruise lines are always trying to outdo each other and adding new amenities all of the time. So for example, Royal Caribbean have their Oasis class ships that have a zip line. Carnival Mardi Gras has the first roller coaster ever at sea. And Norwegian Cruise Line have a go-kart track. So you can still stay on board and be adventurous and you don't have to go too far because it is all within walking distance on one floating hotel. But if you do go off and scratch that adventurous itch during the day and explore, good news, because when you come back on board in the evening, you will get to be lazy once again. Now, I don't know about you, but I travel through eating. Some people like to purchase something wherever they go. I mean, I guess I kind of do because I get a magnet, but I travel through food. When I go to Italy, you bet I eat and drink everything in sight. Wine, pasta, cheese, give it to me. Anywhere I go, that is how I like to experience the place. I want to try the food. And again, these ships are always trying to outdo each other. So you will have insane dining options on whatever ship you go on, especially if you go on one of the newer cruise ships. Oh my God, you're going to be spoilt for choice. I mean, there's Virgin Voyages with the test kitchen. Disney have Enchanté, which is a Michelin star restaurant. And Royal Caribbean have Izumi's, which to this day is the best sushi that I have ever had. So I feel like I get to eat my way around the world and experience new foods right there on the cruise ship because they have such fantastic offerings. Now, let's just say that you went on a holiday on land, you were staying in a hotel and it was maybe a 20-minute walk from the local town. You still have to have your brain switched on a little bit because one, you've got to maybe research some restaurants in town, which one's good, which ones to steer clear from. Then if you're going to walk to the restaurant, I mean, as a woman, you kind of think like, okay, will I be cold? Will I need to take a jacket or a scarf? Do I need to take my money? Do I take a phone? Do I take a bag? Do I wear heels or are there going to be cobbles? Should I wear flats? How is this a 20-minute walk or is it really a 30-minute walk? Do you know what I mean? Like you have to kind of think of the logistics a little bit. But on a cruise ship, you can literally switch off your brain because it doesn't matter. If you go to the restaurant and you forget your jacket and it happens that the aircon's up a little bit too high, your cabin will be no more than 5 minutes away. So you can just nip back to your cabin to get your jacket and go back to the restaurant and enjoy your food feeling warm. You don't have to worry about not being able to wear heels because there's going to be cobbled streets. There's not. It's a cruise ship. You can wear your heels and, well, maybe walk in them. I can't walk in heels. I wish I could. You don't need to worry about how much money to bring because you pay for everything on your sea pass. You don't even need to take a bag because you pay for everything on your sea pass. So going on a cruise, you can literally completely switch off your brain. And a lot of people do, including myself. Honestly, I find myself doing the most stupid things when I'm on a cruise ship because it is like as soon as I step on board, I'm like, bloop. I don't have to think about anything. And I love this for people. I love the fact that you can genuinely vacate your life, especially if you're someone who has to use their forethought a lot. Let's say you're a mom. You know, if you're taking the kids out, you have to pack for every eventuality. On a cruise ship, you don't have to because even if you're at the pool, the cabin is no more than 5 minutes away. It's okay that you forgot the diaper bag. Do you know what I mean? Or even better, you just stick the kids in kids club and you actually get to have a vacation. But even for someone who doesn't have kids and doesn't have to think about taking the diaper bag everywhere I go, going on a cruise is a wonderful gift in which you can switch off but still be adventurous. And there are very few instances where you can combine them both. I've really been thinking about this while I was on Cunard. I was like, what other, like, where else could you go? Because, hey, when I went backpacking, oh my God, I had the best time ever. But there was nothing lazy about that. Like, I was researching. I mean, my friend did a lot of it as well, but we were researching. We were traveling to different hotels. We had to pack for every eventuality. I mean, it was great and we definitely scratched that adventurous itch. But it was not lazy. And then if I go to an all-inclusive hotel on land, yeah, I can absolutely lie on a sunbed for 2 weeks, but it's not gonna, I'm gonna get bored. I'm going to get bored. So the fact that I can go on a cruise ship, be lazy, but also be adventurous because we're gonna be in a new port every single day is truly why cruising is just the best thing ever. But yeah, let me know what you think of this whole cruising is perfect for lazy adventurous people. I really think I've hit the nail on the head, so tell me if I'm way off or tell me if I'm on the point. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.